Planning a family reunion usually feels like herding cats through endless, scattered group chats. But moving everything to a dedicated reunion website completely automates the organizer's workload. Take a dispersed 50-person family trying to agree on dates and pool money for catering. Without a hub, the planner becomes a human router, tracking every allergy across scattered group texts. A centralized platform acts as a filter, organizing those scattered inputs into one clean dashboard. But organizing information is easy. The true bottleneck is collecting the money. Instead of acting like a debt collector, the site links registration directly to online payments. This automatically secures the funds and generates an instant headcount without any manual accounting. Once logistics are locked, the website shifts into an automated bulletin board for daily updates, meaning the planner never has to reply to the exact same question 20 times. And that dispersed 50-person family, they now register and submit their payments entirely through the central platform, leaving the organizer to simply review the final budget, step back from the chaos, and actually enjoy the family event.